Hello, my name is John Cutler, and I'm going to give you a quick intro to the curiosity test. There will be a longer version of this video if you're interested in all the details at the end of the survey, but this is just going to give you the high-level view of anything. Number one, this thing is called the curiosity test, and it helps you benchmark your team in ways that help you advocate for Amplitude and better ways of working. What we heard at Amplitude is that some companies found it very difficult to know how they stacked up, and they also found it hard to explain the benefits of Amplitude. The way we created the curiosity test is we created this generalized scenario that anyone could relate to from a product angle, and then asked companies how they would go about solving that scenario. We got a bunch of responses ranging from the lightest weight responses ever to super heavyweight responses. We also started to look at how many people tend to be involved with efforts, ranging from none, probably just one, all the way up to 10 people required to get this simple scenario working. What we also did at this point is we started to map the process that people used or described in their particular responses, the people involved, etc. And what we found is that in some companies there's very high friction, some there's about a medium amount of friction, and in others there was not very much friction at all. You'll have a link to this Miro board at the end of this survey. From there, what we did is we created a template, we refined this, you can use this as well, but we also created something called the curiosity test. The curiosity test is a list of yes/no questions. You take this test, and then you can see how you stack up but just by adding up your score against a fair sample of other companies, like 115 odd companies to be able to do that. Finally, you can look at the longer video for more information, but basically, we suggest you discuss the scenario with your team. You map your process using those particular process things. We'll give you the Miro link. And then you engage other stakeholders with the curiosity test, which you're going to take right now, and discuss eventually how Amplitude might be able to help. Amplitude has many benefits, like improved collaboration. It's going to reduce costs of managing all this stuff. It's more developer-friendly. It's got great SDKs. We'll go in more depth later, but take the curiosity test, see how your team stacks up, and then explore the resources after the survey. Thank you.